Hey, it's Pastor Dan, and we are here at Memorial Baptist. I want you to introduce you. This is Miss Rachel, our children's minister. This is Ned, the astronaut, but Ned doesn't look near as good. And check this guy out. This is our cameraman, Mateo. He's helping us out today. He looks awesome. He's going to be in some skit videos in his astronaut outfit. Miss Rachel, tell us a little bit about Vacation Bible School coming up.
So Vacation Bible School is going to be July 17th through 21st from 6 to 8:30 in the evenings. And so you can sign your kids up or sign up as a volunteer by going to mbcmetairie.org/VBS.
All right, so sign up online, sign yourself up, sign your neighbors up. There is a close date, actually.
There is. So we are actually going to have for pre-registration. We will stop that at midnight on July 14th. So that way we can have everybody's name tags pre-printed. So that way check-in is going to be so much easier this year by us cutting it off. And then if you do need to still register someone after midnight on the 14th, you can come in and do your registration in person here with Miss Linda. She'd love to help you get started, and then that way it'll just ease you right through the check-in process. You'll come in, there'll be an envelope with your family, all of their information in there. They'll grab it, you'll go, and you'll be right on your way. Your kids will be ready. And so we're hoping that by cutting it off, the pre-registration, it's actually going to help make everything run so much smoother.
That's awesome. I can't wait for that. That's going to be so cool. All right, so
but you know what I can't wait for?
I know.
I can't wait to see what's in here.
We have called, we sent out an email, we put out a video, and you guys have answered. We have 6 packages, and then I've also gotten some emails and some text messages that you guys have sent me that we've got more coming. So today we're going to check this out. Miss Rachel and I are going to find different packages, and we're going to open these things together. So let's see what we got in our unboxing video. Oh snap, what'd you get?
Oh, pipettes. It sounds like we're doing science experiments, but we're really not.
Show them what that is. Take a photo.
So you're going to have to...
Like, what is that?
Alright, so these you might use for a science experiment, but we are going to use these for individual rockets that your kids will be able to blast off of a straw. So they'll be able to blow into the straw and shoot rockets across the room. So this we're actually going to be doing in both preschool and elementary, so all of the kids will get to make these rockets.
That's awesome. I can't wait to see
it's going to be, I'm excited.
Well, it looks like I got some of the basics, so thank you. Got some paper plates of all different colors and some star stickers.
Oh.
My kids are going to love this. And then look, we've got
the
straws.
See?
So this will be part of that?
These go together. So.
Okay, well, that'll be great. Okay, so we've got those things. All right, let me put this on the side. Got some boxes that we're going to start on. Let's see. You work on that.
I got the big bag over here. All-star projector. So this will help in the sanctuary to turn it into outer space. We're going to have the whole galaxy projected on the ceiling.
A light bulb in it?
It does. So it's going to blow it up on the ceiling.
That's
so that there'll be stars, and these have different settings. So every day we can be somewhere else in the galaxy.
But you can't have games without cones, and we got all different colored cones here. So thank y'all so much. This is going to help us so much during game time. I'm excited about it. All right, what else you got?
All right, let's see.
Looks like we're down to the last couple things.
I see your star stickers and a Raging one. Oh, and glow in the dark stars and moons.
Okay, now is that for crafts?
These are for crafts, for preschool crafts. They're gonna get to do like a little glow in the dark nightlight with the little stars. They'll put it in there. So.
Now this looks really cool. What is it? This looks
LED lights.
LED light. So this looks like almost like a type of rope light, but it has a remote and it works off your phone. So thank you so much for getting that.
Those are gonna be so cool. We'll be able to use that for stage decoration.
Okay.
And then you and I can mess with the kids and change the lights in the middle of everything.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Hey, just as a reminder, everything that we're doing, all the decorations, all the crafts, everything is so that we can tell more kids about the love and power of Jesus. And so this is going to be a stellar week. By the way, we still got a few more things that if you guys want to help us out with, I think they can find it on our Amazon wish list. We're going to put that link below in the comments, so make sure that you check that out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.